So I'm inside the MetaTrader 4 app, and as you can see at the top of the screen, today I've made £10.22. No, it's not a lot, but I've made this money doing nothing. All I had to do was invest a small amount of £297.10, and that's made me a profit of £44.36, and I've started investing just under 2 weeks ago, and that's how much money I've made. Now, this might not sound very exciting because it is £44, but considering how little I've invested, I think we'll all agree that this is an absolute, there's huge potential in this. There are a lot of people that I've seen using this method that have earned $2,000 a week. Some people have earned £175, some people have earned £75. It all depends on how much you invest. But out of £297 to earn £44 in just under 2 weeks, I think we'll all agree that's pretty exciting for doing nothing. You set this up once, you let it run in the background, and all I do at the end of the day, I check my profits. So today I've earned £10.22. Today was the first day that I've earned this much. This was the highest profit I've ever earned, and to be quite honest, this is extremely exciting, and I will be sure to come back and share future profits, but in the meantime, make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to look in the description. I'll leave a link in there, and you will see profits by other people, and if you want to get involved and you want to do this yourself, there is a link that will explain everything that you have to do, and obviously this will come at a cost, but quite frankly I think it's 100% worth doing, and the creators are doing a discounted price, I believe, up until Christmas. So do make sure to take advantage of this if you are interested. And yeah, and I will make sure to come back and keep posting more videos on this. All right, bye.